Hi friends, today we are going to make chocolate cupcakes and it's very simple. So let's start.
First, we are going to mix 80 grams of brown sugar to 100 grams of melted butter. And then we're going to mix it. Then we are going to add 3 beaten eggs. And of course, we're going to mix it again. Mix properly. For today, I'm going to add the baking powder first. I usually mix the baking powder with dry ingredients, but this is muffin, so it's okay. And then we're going to use 200 grams of cake flour. Mix gradually. We will use 3 tablespoons of warm milk and we're going to add it. Mix until creamy. Now we need 150 grams of melted milk chocolate. And if you're ever wondering how to melt chocolates, there are 2 ways how to melt it, but I prefer the classic way. So you will need 2 pots, one for simmering some water to about 60 degrees. Do not boil the water. First, chop or break milk chocolates into small pieces. Then put them in a smaller pot. Then put the smaller pot on top of the hot water and wait for a few minutes. Check from time to time. Stir the chocolates until everything has melted. Now mix the melted chocolates into the flour mixture. Mix properly. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Again, mix properly. I love mixing this because it smells so good.
Smells delicious.
Now let's add 1 cup of crushed roasted walnuts. And again, mix properly. Now, let's prepare the paper baking cups. We're almost there. Now simply put the mixture in the cups, but not too full. Just about half. After doing this, please preheat your oven at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Then, bake the muffins at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And of course, please refer to your own oven. While waiting, melt 150 grams of milk chocolates. And if you want for more detailed about melting chocolates, please watch this video. Now we will need to mix the melted chocolates to 50 cc of fresh milk. And then we're going to simply mix until creamy, like this, okay? Do not put too much fresh milk, so you have to mix it gradually. And then feel the dense of the chocolates, okay? You don't want watery chocolate. And then if you want, you can use a plastic bag like this. Question, what do you call this plastic bag, okay? So if you know, please comment down below. And I will be honest with you, I'm icings making icings is not my forte. So my youngest daughter has to teach me how to make icings. Okay, now for this, after baking, we're going to put a hole in the cupcake like this. So I use the tapioca straw. Okay, and then we're going to simply put some chocolates, icings inside like this. And friends, hi! By the way, I'm Kitine. I'm a Filipina living in Japan, and I'm simply sharing some Japanese food and some simple baking. So if you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.